Hello guys, so today I'm going to be discussing about my hair, the results from the dermatologist. I actually pronounced that really well, dermatologist. Boom! But anyway, the results are here, so we're going to be discussing this in details. Let me share this with you guys and tell you guys what I have been diagnosed with and what treatments I'm currently using and how I'm feeling and blah 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 blah. So let's go. Let's just discuss reasons how hair loss could run away. So hair loss could be many factors, and it could be a reason where it's based on our mental health, our stress level. It could be based on genetic. It could also be based on challenges that we are currently facing on everyday life. So these are the reasons, and there could be more reasons as well, but certain reasons might be very sensitive and I don't want to say out loud. But in the purpose of this video, I'm going to be discussing with you guys what they found I've been diagnosed with and how I'm currently feeling. So I went to see the dermatologist. In August of this year, 2024, and it was an experience on its own. And I think, let me discuss what actually happened during the session. So obviously I registered in, I got called, I'm speaking to the lady of the dermatologist department. She's asking me personal questions and then, checking where the hair is running away. And she has a bit of suspicious what it could be. And then after that, she's asking me a bit of history of my life and when I had noticed my hair loss. I could say I noticed my hair loss when I had my son in 2019. We can say from September and upwards on 2019 is when I noticed that I've started having bald patches. That's when I've actually shaved all my hair. And as it was growing back, I could see bald patches, but I didn't pay any attention to what it was anyway. Fast forward, now, last year, told the doctors what had happened. I got referred to dermatology, blah, 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 Sorry, I'm trying to just get to the point. Anyway, so she did what she needed to do. Then she told me to go down to the department where I need to get a photo shot of my hair. So I had a photo shot of my hair. I had to show where my bald patches were, and the lady will take pictures sideways, front way, and etc. That bit is done, gone. Then I had to go downstairs to where I had to have my blood taken in order to understand what am I lacking in and what I need to develop upon all. One thing I noticed that my iron levels has always been low, so I knew in my head anyway it will be definitely iron. So fast forward now, boom, the results come back. My iron was low as usual. I was lacking in vitamin D. We don't have sun here, but yeah, I was lacking in vitamin D. And so she's giving me a vitamin D tablets, which I take one every fortnight. Then every fortnight? Is every fortnight every 2 weeks? Okay, okay, so I was lacking in vitamin D and iron. So she gives me a prescription in regards to me taking a vitamin D and also my iron tablets to help regulate what is low. And also I had to take, let me land. So I had to also take anti-inflammatory just to help with the growth of my hair and etc. So I hope I pronounced that right. If I haven't, you guys get the drift. My pronunciation is not that great. So anti-inflammatory tablets to help as well. So I'm taking those three things. And then I was also given this scalp lotion which I need to apply where my hair is running. Currently my hair is running here, and there, but it's spreading. So my diagnosis was that I currently have a mild alopecia. Let me breathe, let me land. I'm not going to get emotional, but yeah. So I was diagnosed with alopecia mild. And through the session, when she did suspect that I might have had alopecia, she did say that where the hair has already run away, as you can see, I can't get it back. But obviously, I took the information in, and I'm going to do my own research as well, for better understanding and better knowledge of alopecia in details. Take the prescription that she had provided for me, then I think at the end of this year, I'm going to have a blood test just to see if everything is okay. Then next year, April, I believe, I'm going to go back to the same dermatologist just to check everything overall and what else they can do further for me. A lot of information to take for 2024, but we're going to end it with a bang. How am I feeling currently after I've been diagnosed with alopecia? Do you know what? Really, frankly, but I've got mixed emotions, and it's something that I'm going to have to live with. There's that saying that if you can't change it, accept it. And one of my colleagues, Angel, she always says to me, pick your battles. So I'm picking my battle. I'm going to accept it, as Angel will say. Just accept it. Just accept it, because you can't change it. You're going to live with it. You can't change it. Just accept it and do the treatments that you're given to do. And out of my family, my brothers and sisters, so far, I'm the only one that has been diagnosed with alopecia. So it's just like, in my head, I'm thinking, why me? Like, why me? Why me? But then going back to history, when I was speaking to the dermatologist, she did mention that there's certain hairstyles that Black African tend to do, which stretches the scalp as well of the hair. So at such a young age, I think hairstyles that I was doing, I didn't notice that it was obviously pulling my scalp, but no, I didn't suspect it to cause what it has caused now. That might not be the cause of the alopecia, but it could be a contribution to the alopecia because of the scalp always, having movements, no fresh air going into it and not letting the hair breathe. So anyway, so that's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling mixed emotions. It's something I'm gonna have to accept and move on with it. Boom. A lot of hand movements. Also, during the dermatologist visit, she did tell me things that I can do and things that I can't do. Obviously, things that I cannot do is having braids, cornrows, something that is tightening my hair. I can't do things like that. For example, with this one, my bun is not adjusted into the scalp. It's just more like on the edge bit. So I can't do those hairstyles because it will impact my hair. If I do like a ponytail, it has to be loose, so nothing tight on my hair. So moving forward, it will be more of a natural hair-based look or a wig. She said I can wear a wig, but not too much of me wearing the wig. She said I could wear a wig, but don't wear too much of the wig, because the more fresh hair is going to your hair, the better it is. And eventually, I am going to consider shaving my hair bald. So that is something that I've done here and there. But I think if the more patches I have in my hair and it's not able to be resolved, I will eventually end up shaving my hair bald, just keeping it bald. Not like Dr. Eggman from Sonic, but yeah, like Dr. Eggman and Sonic. So I am going to keep it bald and start with the treatment and see again after shaving the hair bald, would it grow back? And just experiment just to see what could help with the hair. Overall, my advice to those that are also going through the same situation as me, having an alopecia, is that there might and there might not be a solution, but I think we just need to embrace what we have or what we have been diagnosed with. And I think it's also a lesson learned. And should we have young girls or young boys as children or cousins or, niece or nephews, I think we will do better when it comes to the hair. Like when we're styling the hair, not to make it more tight, relaxing the hair and things like that. I think that also impacts us at a later stage, especially them as well, and us, only because of the chemicals that are currently in the hair. The less chemical products we use in our hair, the better it is for us when we are growing and going into elderly and eventually etc. CTA, which will be call to action. I think if you have noticed a hair, or if you've noticed patches or hair falling out and etc., don't wait like I did. I think go and seek professional help. Go and see someone and get it referred as soon as possible, because I believe the sooner you catch the diagnosis, the better chances you have. I've left it a bit late because I didn't know what it was, and in the back of my head I was thinking something else, but I didn't want to face it, if that makes sense. I had the fear of thinking, is it what I think it is? But once I put my fear aside, I took that leap of faith and be like, no, I want to know what it is so I can deal with it at an early stage, because I have a young little boy, and I do want to be here for him, and hopefully be a grandma one day, and etc. For those that are going through the same situation as me, how are you dealing with the diagnosis of you having alopecia? Like, what are you doing so far to maintain that hairstyle, or any hair products that you're using that could also help not to make more hair fall out? I honestly, from what I've been told, alopecia is not something that you can cure, but I could be wrong. All hair types are different. Some hairs could grow back, some hairs don't grow back. With me, I've noticed that the hairs are not growing back where the patches are at. And I want to share with you guys a clip of my hair, how it's actually running faster than the gingerbread man, and I don't believe the gingerbread man can actually catch this type of hair. So I'm laughing it up because it's just like, yeah, I have to deal with it, and it is what it is. And yeah, so what are you guys doing? Currently my hair is a 4C. If you guys don't know, it's a 4C kinky hair. And if you're going through the same scenario, just let me know, like, what advice would you advise me to use on my hair, and what probably protective hairstyles I could also contribute in my hair where it's not forcing my hair to be at a force where it's gonna rip more hair, because I want more hair on, not more hair off. But I will try and vlog the journey of my hair, what's become of it, probably next year, once hopefully I see some kind of result. I am gonna give myself like a 6 months result update in regards to what's happened. But yeah, so share with me your journey of your hair and how it's impacted you as well. Like, how do you feel about your hair? Does hair define our beauty, or are we beauty in our own selves? But anyway, the moral of the story is, if we can't change something, we need to just accept it as it is. And thank you to everyone for the support in regards to my hair journey. It's not easy for me to express the health condition of my hair, but however, I feel as if I am expressing it more, I can get more feedback in regards to what I could do to maintain the hair, and I'm not alone, if that makes sense. I'm not alone. Okay, I'm gonna stop here because I don't want to get emotional. Okay, I don't want to get emotional. We're gonna stop it here. But again, thank you again for watching my video. I honestly hope you guys enjoyed this mini update. It's short, but I just wanted to update you guys because I did say that I will be seeing a dermatologist. Do take care. Be safe out there, guys. And also, the weather is not lovely. Just putting that out there. Do take care. Bye again. See you soon.